This video is sponsored by Dello Heavy-Duty Lubricants from Chevron. Visit chevronlubricants.com to learn more.
Trucking, the final frontier. These are the voyages of one of the trucks in your fleet. Its continuing mission, to be dispatched around the world, making deliveries, picking up materials, and fulfilling the needs of customers. To boldly be safer, more efficient, and grow your business, and to use data to prevent catastrophic breakdowns and downtime like no other fleet has done before. The worst case scenario for a driver and fleet manager alike is a roadside breakdown. If this should happen to your truck, the out-of-service vehicle can cost your fleet $1,000 or more each day. In addition to leaving customers without service, a typical breakdown might take your truck off the road for 7 to 10 days and leave your driver idle. Thankfully, your fleet has a valuable crew member on board that is glad to help you avoid this awful downtime. Meet data. This data is no Android. I'm talking about real data. By monitoring vehicle data remotely, fleet managers can pinpoint trucks that have maintenance issues that could become larger, more complex repairs. With near real-time data collection and reporting, fleet managers can know the status and health of each vehicle and can address issues early. For example, if we beam down to Earth and ask data to take a look at your truck, data might tell you it's time to replace a faulty coolant line for $300 instead of waiting to replace an EGR cooler, which might cost $4,000 or more. On the road, through remote vehicle data monitoring, fleet managers today can identify and prioritize diagnostic trouble codes and inform drivers on how to proceed. Drivers can then act on any warning lights they might see, knowing whether these warnings need to be addressed immediately or whether it's a routine issue that can be handled when the load is complete or even during the next scheduled maintenance visit. As big data analysis continues to evolve, innovative use of this information can yield valuable insights and can produce significant savings for your business. Take advantage of it. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.